What's the meaning of buttery? Buttery. Buttery.
Buttery. Buttery. The term buttery can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In terms of food, it usually describes a rich, creamy texture that is reminiscent of butter. This can apply to things like croissants or mashed potatoes that have a smooth and indulgent mouthfeel. Alternatively, buttery can describe the flavor of something that has been cooked or seasoned with butter. This can give a dish a rich and savory taste that enhances its overall appeal. Overall, buttery is often associated with decadence and luxury in the culinary world.